Due to this sterling service in disaster relief, former Department of National Defense (DND) Secretary Delfin Lorenzana on February 22, 2022, signed the contract with PZL Mielec, calling for the acquisition of 32 more S-70I units for the PAF. This is a continuing relationship between our countries. The PAF is very happy with the Black Hawk helicopters, he said. The contract is worth $624 million and comes with an integrated logistics support and training package for pilots and maintenance crew. The delivery of these helicopters will start on SI calendar year 2023, 5 units, while the remaining ones will be delivered in 3 batches as follows. SI 2024, second batch, 10 units, SI 2025, third batch, 10 units, and SI 2026, last batch, 7 units. Lorenzana said. The then DND chief issued the notice of award for PZL Mielec for the 32 Black Hawk helicopters on December 28, 2021. Once deliveries are completed, the PAF will have around 47 S-70I units, giving it more leeway to retire some of its helicopters that have been too long in service like the Huey. And with the PAF poised to get more S-70I Black Hawks in the coming years, the Air Force is looking to have more training opportunities with the United States Army Pacific Command, USARPAC. This was among the matters discussed by PAF and USARPAC officials during a meeting last February 21, 2022. The S-70Is in PAF service are capable of speeds of 224 miles per hour, 361 kilometers per hour, a range of 290 miles, 460 kilometers, and are capable of carrying 22,000 pounds, 9,979 kilometers. Aside from their military missions, S-70Is in PAF service were utilized to transport relief supplies and rescue personnel to areas heavily hit by typhoons and other calamities in recent years. Black Hawk helicopters were also tasked to transport COVID-19 vaccines in geographically isolated areas during the government's massive vaccination campaign aimed at defeating the dreaded disease.